Hey LinkedIn, this is week 7 of round 2 of my 52-week challenge to create weekly videos on LinkedIn. I'm here at San Jose State for their 20th annual Science Extravaganza, and I'll be volunteering for the second year in a row with my Lockheed Martin co-workers. The point of this Science Extravaganza is to inspire middle school students to pursue a career in STEM. The activity I'll be working on today with the students will be building rockets using paper and cardboard and launching it using 2-liter bottles and PVC pipes. And this is to inspire the students to pursue a career in STEM, learn about Newton's laws of motion, while also having fun and doing an interactive activity. It inspired me to continue to actually pursue a career in engineering was during my freshman year, and I worked on a project where I created a robot car that followed a line created using electrical tape, while also wirelessly transmitting its movements to a second robot car, and so both cars follow the same motion, but the second one doesn't have a line to follow. It just gets its movements. So that's what inspired me to actually continue pursuing a career in engineering. I thought this was fun. I got to build something, got to own something. So let me ask you all, who inspired you, or what inspired you to pursue the career you're in? Share that story in the comments below. Today, hopefully I get to inspire some students to pursue a career in STEM, and let me know what inspired you or who inspired you in the comments below. Have a great week, everyone, and I'll talk to you all next week.